Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game on PC via the Battle.net launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So open the Battle.net launcher on your PC, then go to the Call of Duty section. You will see the base game Call of Duty over here, game version Call of Duty. So simply click on this drop down and here you will see Modern Warfare 4 beta. Click on this and then you can see Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game is showing over here and the install button. So simply click on install button and here you can see Call of Duty beta installation. You can see that the file size is 52.60 GB and then you can click on start install. And here you can see initializing, please wait. And here you can see that Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game is getting installed on my PC with the Battle.net launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. So by following these steps, you can also download or install Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game via the Battle.net launcher on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.